This blog post outlines a project that showcases how to implement a user experience feature, such as a loading spinner, in a Next.js application using the app router. It covers how to maintain this loading indication during both internal navigation within the app and when redirecting to external pages, like OAuth 2 logins, ensuring the spinner remains visible until the destination page is fully loaded or a redirect is complete. The text emphasizes the importance of providing users with feedback during navigation between pages, whether internal or external, as it enhances the overall user experience by making wait times more manageable. The installation process involves using the command pnpmi to install all packages. Alternatively, you can use npm for the same purpose. The text provides instructions for running a server using npm commands and includes a code snippet demonstrating how to navigate to both internal and external pages in an application. Users are instructed to execute npm run build followed by npm start to start the server. Additionally, it shows how to implement navigation functions using the use navigation hook to facilitate moving within the app and to external links. The provided text is a snippet of React code for a component rendering a web page, page 1. The component includes a header, this is page 1, and two buttons, one that, when clicked, navigates to an external site, example.com, and another that returns the user to the home page. The code indicates using an on-click event for both buttons to trigger navigation functions. Overall, the snippet highlights a basic structure for a React component with navigation functionality. The design of the system is divided into three key components. 1. Layout management. The layout file, layout.ts, is used across all pages, with its visibility controlled through Zustand for global state management. 2. Loader implementation. A loader is triggered before navigation starts, providing users with feedback on their current page during both internal and external navigation. 3. Navigation hook. A custom hook is utilized to facilitate navigation to internal and external pages efficiently. The text discusses the functionality of the root layout component in a web application, highlighting that it operates correctly during page navigation. It indicates that the build version is effective, supported by a visual representation in the form of an image. The development version of an application is experiencing issues because the root layout component is called only once, leading to indefinite loading without proper rebuilding. To clarify this for users, the author plans to display the loader only when the application is not in development mode, as the development mode can be misleading. The code provided is a React functional component named root layout. It uses TypeScript for type definitions and incorporates a custom hook called use navigation store. Inside the component, the use effect hook is triggered on mount, which logs a message to the console and calls the nNavigation function from the navigation store. The component returns a structured HTML layout that includes a body element and displays the child components passed to root layout, while conditionally rendering based on a isDevelopment check. The blog post demonstrates a feature that allows users to navigate to a new page while displaying a progress indicator from the original page. An accompanying image illustrates this functionality. The text highlights key points regarding the Next.js framework, specifically focusing on the differences between the page router and app router. It notes that the app router lacks straightforward navigation events, requiring custom solutions for tracking navigation progress, and emphasizes that the Next.js router does not support external navigation. Additionally, it mentions the challenge of using console.log in the root layout, as logs can be cleared by the browser when changing pages. A workaround for Firefox is to enable the persist logs feature in the DevTools console. Lastly, it advises including children in the dependency array for root layout to ensure proper re-renders based on changes to children.